50 and it's making this weird fucking noise, so we want to listen to that before we start working on it. Oh, there it is. And that to me, that kind of sounds similar to the noise that it's making when it makes a weird noise when you go faster on corners too. I'm thinking that it could be something in your suspension on this side. That's actually probably what it is. So we should probably get back to the shop and start tearing apart this side, the passenger side. Yeah, this thing has some really bad squeal problems too with the serpentine system or something. Yeah, it's ugly. So we gotta address that too today. Alright, so I thought this car has definite alignment issues, so we're gonna go ahead and get this jacked up and measure the fronts and backs of the front wheels and see if they're out of whack at all. And then if there's nothing there, we're probably just gonna start taking apart this passenger side. So we'll show you after we get it all taken apart or whatever. The alignment is definitely off. If you look at this wheel, it's toe in. And this wheel right here is perfectly fucking straight. So that tells me that there is way too much angle on the front. And if you look right here, it is actually on the alignment sheet. Right there, that there's an 11-degree toe. So we're gonna start adjusting his tie rod ends and try to fix this a little bit. From what we're seeing, we have to move the back of, or suck the back of the tire in a 1/2 inch. Yeah, we got it off and shit. A little bit of rust going on here. Might need a torch, but this right here is what we have to adjust, or put a wrench on there and adjust it. Suck this part into here, and then that will adjust the front tire, the back of the front tire in. We're gonna do that about a 1/2 inch because the alignment that we did said that it was a whole inch off, so that should fix our problems though. Yeah, that's bad. That's way off. But that control arm bushing right there is also not in the right spot too, so we need to address that at some point too. Should be fine for now though. Alright guys, so we got this all marked up here where this needs to go. As you can see how far off that alignment is. I mean, that's like a matter of life and death there. That's fucking so stupid. It is a 1/2 inch that it needs to be adjusted. That is fucked up. But yeah, all that pressure from the toe being in kind of blew out some of the fucking control arm bushings a little bit, so we're gonna have to replace this lower control arm and shit at some point too now. So that sucks, but oh well. But yeah, that's like really stuck. It's not going anywhere, so I personally don't think they even touched his alignment at all. That pisses me off. Because we're gonna have to go get a torch now to even move that tie rod end at all. That tells me that they didn't move it at all to begin with. Didn't do shit. Time for the map, pro. We were gonna get oxygen, but we decided against it because we were reading some things about that it's just gonna melt everything together. So we don't want to melt this tie rod all together, so figured probably shouldn't do that. Just get this bitch all red hot and shit, you know. Make sure you're not pointing it towards anything rubber, like this CV boot over here. Stay clear of that. Alright, well, we got it broke free. Now we're just turning it, pulling that tie rod in to the outer tie rod so that it pulls the back of its tire in. So we got the tie rod moved to where it needs to be now. The alignment should be good. The toe is in, I think, a 1/16. So there's a 32nd on each side facing in, which supposedly that's how you're professionally supposed to do it. Makes the tires wear right. Yeah, so go ahead. We let it down and it looks like so good now. It looks like perfect alignment, so we're gonna go check it to make sure that it is. Okay, we're out here testing to see if it makes a noise again. So far so good. Seems good. Seems a lot smoother than before. The steering response is better.
Yeah, it is.
Like a lot better.
A lot. It's kind of
like
too touchy. A lot better.
It sounds and feels a lot better. The squeak's obviously not coming, but we'll fix that. Don't let a shop lie to you. Yeah, dude, I'm fucking furious too. And look at this. He paid $300 and they didn't do anything that they said they did. They even said that they replaced the tie rods. Did those look like new tie rods to you guys? I don't think so. So we're gonna go ahead and change the oil right now. Okay, so we got the oil all drained and we took off the oil filter. Maple syrup. That's all good, dude.
Yeah.
You guys can talk. What the fuck? Who cares?
I brought your beer. I got your beer, honey.
Oh, you got my beer.
Yeah.
I go do a bunch of crab in here.
Fuck you, man.
Look at that Ghetto Rig Smart Water.
Yeah, that's
G-Spot approved.
definitely G-Spot approved, guys. I think this might like take the whole all five, honestly.
That feels like 100 pounds, 2 bags.
Definitely. I love torque wrenches. So we pretty much fixed the squeak, and it was actually a power steering pump that was squeaking really bad. So there's barely any power steering fluid in there right now. We're gonna add some, and also we just sprayed some lubricant on it too, and that seemed to help a lot. So yeah. Bye, Dylan.